Hello, my name is Simon Gidlov and welcome to the joint fastened presentation. Today I will guide you through the joint level process control, which is the first step of our smart integrated assembly concept and the foundation for transformation to a smart factory. Throughout all manufacturing industries, the challenges we are facing are very much the same. The fast changing demand from end customers requires an increased production mix and a need for a more flexible production, resulting in systems that are more complex. Therefore, interaction that enables smooth adoptions to new technologies is more critical than ever. In addition, sustainability is becoming a key challenge within manufacturing and something that we all need to act on.
Building our modern society has come at a cost. Climate change is the defining issue of our time, and we are all aware that we must take action. But there is hope. The indisputable changes we see in the world and a growing awareness among the public are building pressure on governments and businesses to act. The industrial sector, which includes the manufacturing industry, accounts for roughly 1/5 of the global greenhouse gas emissions. The industry must therefore change to become part of the solution. By integrating new technologies, analytics and machine learning into their production facilities, manufacturers are creating the fourth industrial revolution through smart factories. The Atlas Copco Smart Integrated Assembly is our concept for manufacturers looking to transform into a smart factory. As a strategic partner, we help you to take the leap to the era of Industry 4.0 and realize your smart factory. No matter where you are in your transformation journey, and regardless of which industry you work in, we will support you on your road to the smart factory. Together, we will take responsibility for a sustainable future.
In order to address these challenges and to support you in your journey to a smart factory, Atlas Copco has built a modular ecosystem to help you transform your manufacturing processes and in doing so help you to fulfill your sustainability, productivity, and profitability goals. To be more specific, with this modular ecosystem, we can help you to achieve an increase in uptime, reduce the amount of defects, increase the flexibility, making introduction of new products or variants easier, improve your productivity rates, and improve the human interaction experience, as well as reduce your energy usage and your carbon footprint. Visualizing the manufacturing plant of the future with open space and total flexibility leads us to the challenge of keeping process control. Therefore, the first step towards achieving your transformation goals starts at the joint level, being in control of your production tools and tightening operations. So let's begin our smart integrated assembly journey by choosing the right tool for each job and connecting them. At Atlas Copco, we divide the types of joints into 3 different levels: customer critical, quality critical, and safety critical. For each level, we offer different types of tools, which aligns the tool's capabilities with the needs of each joint type. The first level is the customer critical joints. A typical example of this is the underbody cover on an electrical vehicle. These joints require tools that are capable of OK, non-OK reporting and screw counting. This ensures that the required number of OK tightenings for the application are achieved by the operator before the process is considered finished. The second level is quality critical joints, where a non-OK tightening can result in costly recalls. An example of quality critical joint is the shock absorber in a vehicle assembly. These joints therefore require higher accuracy that is actively measured. In addition to OK and non-OK reporting, quality critical tools also support multiple torque ranges, allowing a single tool to be used for multiple tightenings. Safety critical joints are the third level. A good example is seat mounting, where it is easy to imagine how dangerous for a person it could be if the seat was not properly fixed to the rails. Due to the criticality, there are even higher requirements on the accuracy, as well as the need to have advanced tightening strategies, full traceability, and reporting. Our wide range of smart electric tools across the 3 levels include wireless and cable options, ranging from low torque to high torque. No matter if it's a fixture or a handheld application, we have a tool to meet your needs and ensuring quality at every joint. Let us now take a look at an example of how important it is to have the right tool with the right strategy and full traceability. For safety-critical application, it is crucial to trust OK results. In this case, the joint has reached the right torque, however, the torque is reached before the bolt is seated, which can have several reasons, for example, a bolt with damaged thread. As a result, there is a gap remaining between the bolt and the part. If we were using a traditional clutch tool for this safety-critical joint, the tool and the operator might have considered this as an OK result, as the tool reported that the right torque was achieved. With safety-critical tools, we can monitor the angle and we can recognize that the bolt did not achieve the right angle. The result will therefore be considered as a non-OK tightening. By using a torque and angle monitoring function, it can be assured that the tightening is done correctly and within specification. Having the right tool and tightening strategy is essential. Ensuring that your tool consistently maintains the highest accuracy is therefore key. For that reason, we offer quality assurance solutions that can support your on-site quality testing and tool calibration needs. In addition, our quality assurance solutions enable you to complete routine calibration so that you can maintain tool accuracy without the extra cost and downtime associated with sending tools out for service. Our tools are designed with different capabilities and additional work with different software functionality levels in order to meet the needs of each joint type. Each tool type has its own unique benefit, making it the right tool for the job. But there is also the method of connectivity to consider. The tools are just one part of a modular ecosystem. To configure the programming and parameter settings, as well as to collect the tightening results in order to achieve traceability, the tool must be connected. How we connect tools depends on the customer needs. Atlas Copco therefore offers different controllers with a common software that can be deployed into various hardware solutions, so that it perfectly fits each customer needs. Nowadays, the controller software can be deployed on a conventional controller box, the tool itself, or even server solutions. Starting a new operation does not only require equipment, it also requires careful planning, implementation, and training. Getting started quickly and smoothly ensures value is delivered from the first day. Tailor-made service solutions are needed to minimize setup cost and time, assuring the equipment delivers right the first time, thus ensuring optimum quality level and cost efficiency. Only by this is it possible to get most out of the done investment. After exploring the various solutions and service involved with smart integrated assembly, let's look at a transformation example from one of our heavy truck and bus customers. Here we could see that the customer was having challenges in terms of flexibility as well as floor space limitations. The customer chose smart electric tools with integrated controllers over the older generation of electric tools with physical controllers. As a result, the customer was able to reduce the time needed for rebalancing, and in comparison to older generation of battery tools, less floor space was needed. In addition, they were able to reduce energy consumption by 40% compared to the option with physical controllers. This brought the customer one step closer to achieving their transformation goals. Today we have looked at the first step of Atlas Copco's smart integrated concept, which lays the foundation to a smart factory. This enables you to be in control of your production by having the right tool for the job, and at the same time getting it connected in a flexible way. With our flexible ecosystem, we can help you to transform your manufacturing processes and in doing so, help you to fulfill your sustainability, productivity, and profitability goals. This is how we will continue to offer our customers increased uptime, a reduction in defects, seamless new product introduction, improved productivity, along with easy and smart human interaction, as well as achieving manufacturing designed for energy efficiency. Atlas Copco, your integrated partner for a better tomorrow.